New information is emerging in the trial of a San Diego Navy SEAL accused of murder. Two more SEALs took the stand today in this case. One saying that Eddie Gallagher told him directly that he stabbed an ISIS fighter in the neck. Our 10 News anchor Brian Schlonsky just stepped out of the courtroom. And Brian, jurors also heard a lot of information from what was a group text message.
Well, Steve, those messages really damning on both sides of this case. On one side, you have a SEAL threatening to burn down the courthouse and calling this trial a joke. But then on the other side, that same SEAL texting that he spent more time defending civilians there in Iraq from Eddie Gallagher than he did firing at ISIS. Dalton Tolbert, the latest Navy SEAL to take the stand against Chief Eddie Gallagher. Tolbert testifying today that in Iraq, Gallagher shot an elderly civilian in the back after Tolbert fired warning shots at the man to leave the area. Tolbert saying that there was no way the man was an ISIS fighter. But the defense attacked that testimony, saying that Tolbert never said over the radio that the shots he fired were warning shots, meaning Gallagher could have thought the man was the enemy. But some of the most interesting moments came when attorneys on both sides discussed a group text message between the SEALs. In an awkward moment on the stand, Tolbert admitted to talking about burning the courthouse down, wanting the judge fired, making fun of Gallagher's attorney, and calling the trial a joke. He says it was out of frustration that the trial kept getting delayed. But in that same group message, Tolbert with this direct statement to his fellow SEALs: "I saw Eddie Gallagher shoot someone who didn't deserve to die. I fired more warning shots to protect civilians from Eddie than I ever did at ISIS. I see a problem with that." And Gallagher, his attorney, his family just stepped out of the courthouse moments ago. We did talk to his attorney, and we wanted to know that if all of these allegations are indeed false, why would his fellow SEALs turn on their chief? He says this is a rift between an old school warrior and young millennials who just want the title of SEAL. Brian Schlonsky, 10 News.